First, open the Start menu and type WS Reset. This command will reset the store, which can often resolve various issues. Next, open the Start menu, type CMD, and choose to run it as an administrator. In the command prompt, enter the following commands one by one: ipconfig, flushdns. Then the other command is netsh winsock reset. After entering these commands, restart your device. This should help, but if the problem persists, don't worry. Move on to the next steps. Step 3. Open the Start menu and search for Troubleshoot Settings. From there, select Additional Troubleshooters. Then choose Windows Store Apps and run the troubleshooter. This tool will automatically detect and fix issues with the Microsoft Store. Step 4. Open the Start menu and type Background Download. Select Find and fix problems with background downloads. And click Next to start the scan. This will help if background processes are causing the issue. Step 5. Ensure there are no proxies or VPNs enabled in your network settings. These can interfere with the Microsoft Store's ability to connect to the Internet. Step 6. Make sure that Windows updates are not paused. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and ensure that updates are active. Keeping your system updated is crucial for resolving store issues. Step 7. Right-click on the date and time in your taskbar and select Adjust Date, Time. Enable Set the Time automatically and make sure your time zone is correctly set to your location. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes cause issues with the Microsoft Store. Step 8. Finally, re-register the Microsoft Store. Open the Start menu, type PowerShell, right-click, and run it as an administrator. Copy and paste the command provided in the video description and press Enter. Once that's done, restart your computer. After completing these steps, your issue should be resolved. I hope this video helped you fix the Microsoft Store error. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.